Have you ever wondered what is the largest amount of money you can make in 15 minutes? Even investing huge amounts of money in various assets, it's almost unrealistic to make more than a couple $1,000s in that time. It's almost impossible even in the highest paying job. But today, I want to prove to you and myself that $3,000 in 15 minutes is a reality, even if you only have 3 bags in your pockets. We're gonna use my favorite earning tool, binary options. To be as honest as possible, I'll even set myself a timer for 15 minutes. What's up, trading masters? I'm Agatha. I have 7 years in trading and more than 3 years trading binary options. And just in the last year alone, my income has increased to over $1 million. Wow. That is why here we look at the most successful binary options trading strategies. I reveal powerful secrets on how to earn thousands of dollars completely from scratch in minimal time. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and let's get rich together! Let's go. And also in my Telegram channel, I literally tell my community step by step what to do. Follow my signals for free and earn with me. The link to the channel is in the description below this video. Come on in and make your financial dream come true. Today, I've created a challenge for myself and will be trading under a timer with a strict time limit. Of course, it's very hard. You will have to quickly analyze the market and make decisions. We will only have 15 minutes. To be honest, I'm a little worried. What if it is impossible to make $3,000 from 3 bags in 15 minutes? But if you don't even try, you will not get it done. Okay, the settings first. Candlestick time frame at 1 minute and trade time at 30 seconds. Currency pairs. Today it will be the euro and the USA dollar, the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc, the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen, and the fourth pair, the euro and the British pound. The most important one. Today, I will select such indicators that will help me to make quick decisions. Donchian channel and DeMarker will definitely help me in this. Regarding the parameters, let's set both indicators period to 16. Alright. What do you think? Am I gonna make it? Will I earn the set amount or will it be a completely failure? Anyway, post your predictions in the comments, but of course, I hope you will support me. Everything seems to be ready. The chart is visible, indicators work, $3 on the account. I'm very nervous. Alright, get ready and start the timer in 3, 2, 1, start! Okay. Donchian channel shows that the periods are going down the stairs and don't think about stopping. That means we are in a downtrend. I'm going down. Well, yes! We are $5 rich, but it's just the beginning. Oh, I got a fighting spirit today. DeMarker is chasing the recovery of the price, which it lost before. So we are looking for a solid upward move. Click. Just a little more. Yep! Alright, there is $10 in the account. We got the right rhythm, but the timer keeps going. Don't relax! Well, the franc and the yen. The price has hit the ceiling of the current high here. Yes, I'm guessing it's gonna reverse down. I'm pressing the button. Boom! Thank you for your applause. But I'm just a humble girl who made 18 bucks.
Amazing, yes.
Next. Here we already have a strong downward movement. It's dictated by the history of our Donchian channel. You can see that the price has hit the upper boundary of the indicator channel. Immediately press down. Bang bang! Alright, we've upped our account to $34. Wow, I did a good job with the Donchian channel indicator. Then give a like to this video and I will give you more useful and cool information that will make it easier and faster for you to make money. The timer is back on and we are in the first period. What do we got? Yeah, the period is over, you can see without even looking at the Donchian channel. It's going to rebound and it's likely to be a very long one. Let's go up. Super duper! Our deposit is $64. Easy, we made as much as I predicted. Time is running out and we have to keep up. Canadian and Swiss. Here we have the price tending to a new high and the candlesticks are going up fast. What decision shall we make? That's right, we work out the upward movement. Click. Boom! And we got 120 bucks. I'm really excited. Moon Prism Power, make up!
Moon Prism Power, make up!
Well, it didn't take long time for the beers to dominate the hangout. Things are starting to shoot up, like fireworks on New Year's Eve. And we're betting. Yes, and we are up to $124. Is it not wonderful? Another important thought to pump up your skills, I recommend watching more of my strategy videos, especially my video where I reveal the secrets of a simple strategy that can bring you about $4.5 thousand a day without any stress.
God bless you.
Just a great way to make good money, right? Click here or follow the link in the description. Oh, by the way, this is an interesting situation. If the DeMarker lines go up on the breakout, the candlesticks will inevitably go down. So we are working on a downtrend. Down. Boo! Brilliant! We already have 490 coins in our account. Oh, time is running out, but we still have a chance. Euro and dollar, just like in the beginning, second episode. Donchian channel shows us that the periods are going down the stairs again and don't think of stopping. To be continued, hit the button. Great! And our reward is already exactly $800. Everything is going so fast. Let's see. There was a trend reversal under the influence of volumes. $1,496 in the piggy bank. We are really close, but not much time at all. Whew! Well, even after the reversal, the price is holding steady. There was no crossover to the bottom of the charts on both indicators. So we are waiting for a downside play. Bam! We are up to $2,000. 2,366 bucks. We are very close. What a nervous session. Euro and pound. Not much time left. And everything on the chart said that there will be a sharp upward momentum. Yes? Yes. And the bet. What a move! A shot in our honor. And... oh, yeah! Alright, we did it! Wow, we did it! Profit is $3,236. Whew, that was awesome! I'm so happy! Wow! Well, I hold more relaxed and safe trading sessions in my Telegram channel. Every one of you can participate in them for free. There I explain step by step how to trade on binary options in general, how to use Quadex, right down to the smallest details, showing even which buttons on the platform you need to press. I support every participant every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with zero knowledge at the start. Yes, for someone it may seem that trading strategies, signals, indicators is difficult, but in fact everything is so simple. I will personally help with it. Imagine, you just need to enter trades following me and you can consistently get the same results as me. I don't feel bad about sharing my experience with people. I will be happy to put you into the world of trading and help you with getting to a new financial level of life.
I'm intrigued.
It was a really hard win, but I did it. Well done! And I made $3,236 in 15 minutes. That's really powerful, and I'm really looking forward to your congrats, likes and comments. I would never get it done without your support. Don't forget to watch my other videos like the one where I share a cool strategy and also earn $3,065 from $5 live. Click here or look for the link in the description. Love you all, kisses! Bye kittens, see you in my cozy little Telegram.